I am putting a micro USB on this motherboard to an xt1575 Motorola. This micro USB was junk. It is right there. So I'm replacing it. And what are we looking at? Oh, there. So I'm supposed to solder these little bitty wires. And just to give you an idea of what that is, the tip of the soldering iron, where are you at? Come on, camera. Is right there. Wow, my brain doesn't do two things at once. That's the soldering iron. That's the size of the soldering iron tip as compared to these little wires, which are focus right down there, compared to where you at? That. So all I can do is leave the solder the manufacturer put there and stroke these wires and hope that the heat is enough to bond them. Because if I try to put solder in there, I'm going to short those wires.